Hello everyone, I am Natrat Patrick Bunlert and welcome to TFRS for NPAEs episode. Well, some people may wonder what TFRS for NPAE is. TFRS for NPAE stands for Thai Financial Reporting Standard for Non-Publicly Accountable Entities. In the past, Thailand had a single set of accounting standard that entities adopted. Later on, the Federation of Professional Accountants of Thailand, or the TFAC, adopted IFRS standards as TFRS standards. However, TFRS standards are complex and they suit publicly accountable entities. So, the TFAC launched the initiative to draft the accounting standard that is suitable for needs of non-publicly accountable entities. And in 2011, the TFAC launched the TFRS for NPAEs BE 2554. Please note that the TFRS for NPAE is the accounting standard that the TFAC sets out to suit accounting practices in Thai context. Moreover, TFRS for NPAE is not the Thai version of IFRS for SMEs. After the launch of the TFRS for NPAEs BE 2554, the TFAC issued several amendments to respond to business developments. The TFAC recognized the importance of the fast-paced environment and the TFRS for NPAEs BE 2554 should be revised. And in 2022, the TFAC set out the task force to revise the standard and eventually the TFRS for NPAE revised BE 2565 was launched and announced in the Royal Thai Government Gazette on November 30th, 2022. The standard will be effective for reporting periods beginning on or after January 1st, 2023. Early adoption is permitted, but the entity shall disclose that fact. There are accounting options available in the TFRS for NPAE revised BE 2565 that the entity can elect to adopt. These optional applications are different from those of in accordance with TFRS for NPAEs BE 2554. As a result, the standard provides for approaches to adjust the financial statements for the first time adoption. There are retrospective, modified retrospective, and prospective approaches. The other approach is to apply requirements in accordance with TFRS 1. Alright, now let's take a look at the overview content of the TFRS for NPAE revised BE 2565. There are three groups of chapters in the standard, that is, no revision, revision, and new chapter groups. The no revision group consists of 6 chapters and they are Chapter 13, Borrowing Costs, Chapter 14, Leases, Chapter 15, Income Tax, Chapter 17, Events after the reporting period, Chapter 19, Revenue Recognition from Sales of Real Estates, and Chapter 20, Construction Contracts. The revision group consists of 16 chapters, which are Chapter 1, Background and Objectives, Chapter 2, Scope, Chapter 3, Conceptual Framework, Chapter 4, Presentations of the Financial Statements, Chapter 5, Changes in Accounting Policies, Estimates, and Errors, Chapter 6, Cash and Cash Equivalent, Chapter 7, Accounts Receivable, Chapter 8, Inventories, Chapter 9, Investments, Chapter 10, Property, Plant, and Equipment, Chapter 11, Intangible Assets, Chapter 12, Investment Properties, Chapter 16, Provisions, Contingent Liabilities and Contingent Assets, Chapter 18, Revenue, Chapter 21, The Effects of Foreign Exchange Rates, and Chapter 28, Effective Date and Transition. 6 new chapters are in the third group and they are Chapter 22, Agriculture, Chapter 23, Government Grants, Chapter 24, Derivatives, Chapter 25, Business Combinations, Chapter 26, Exploration for and Evaluation of Mineral Resources, and Chapter 27, service concession arrangements. That is all the time I have for now. Thank you for your attention and สวัสดีครับ